Today we'll learn some common Arabic vocabulary. Our first word is shayun. Shayun. Shayun means thing. Our next word is la shay. La shay. La shay. La shay means nothing. Our next word is shayuma. Shayun ma. Shayun ma. It's mean something. Our next word is kullu shay. Kullu shay. Kullu shay. Kullu shayun, it's mean everything. Our next word is ayyu shay. Ayyu shayun. Ayyu shayun, it's mean anything. Let us move to our next word. It is ayyu shaksin. Ayyu shaksin. Ayyu shaksin, it's mean anyone. Our next word is ayyu shaksin. Ayyu shaksin. Ayyu shaksin, it's also mean anybody. Our next word is kullu shaksin. Kullu shaksin. Kullu shaksin. Kullu shaksin mean everybody. Our next word is kullu shaks. Kullu shaks. Kullu shaks, it's mean everyone. Our next word is shaksuma. 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 Shaksuma, it's mean somebody. Shaksuma. Shaksuma. Shaksuma, it's also mean someone. La ahad. La ahad. La ahad, it's mean no one. What? Nobody. Or you can also say none. So thank you for watching this video. See you next one.